So hello guys, welcome back again IT Corp YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to update Snapchat app on your iPhone and iPad, and also why is Snapchat not working and also keep crashing on my iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of Snapchat users to say sometime ago automatically Snapchat keep crashing on iPhone, and also how to get update Snapchat app on iPhone and iPad. When I open the Snapchat app on my iPhone and iPad, that time automatically account removed from my Snapchat app and also keep crashing. So guys, how to fix that issue on my Snapchat app and also how to update Snapchat app on iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will try to fix that issue on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all open the Snapchat app. Now you can see also sometime wait then automatically close Snapchat account from my Snapchat app. Snapchat already tweet on the Twitter and also say to be Snapchat bug on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, Snapchat keep crashing on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to fix that issue on your iPhone and iPad? So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problem. So guys, now first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now open the App Store. In App Store you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat applications. Search Snapchat. After you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and iPad. Now sometime wait then automatically get update Snapchat app. So guys, simply now you can see also version history automatically show the bug fixes update available. So guys, simply download install in your iPhone and iPad, easy to fix your problems. Now I will show you second way to update your Snapchat app in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now again open the App Store. Now you can see also right hand side corner logo. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also update all. Now in update all Snapchat updates available. So guys, you can easily tap on that and update on your iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you third way to update your Snapchat app and also fix your problem. So guys, now first of all open the Snapchat app. Now login in your iPhone and iPad. Open the Snapchat app. After you can see also left hand side corner profile icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also right hand side corner gear icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now again scroll down. After you can see also clear cache options available on Snapchat settings. So guys, Snapchat settings, scroll down. After you can see also clear cache options available on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, simply tap on that. Now again tap on the clear cache. After automatically close the applications. Now again open in your iPhone and iPad. Now scroll down. After you can see also join Snapchat beta versions available. So guys, simply tap on that and download install the TestFight applications on iPhone. So guys, download install that applications. After again open if you any beta versions available. So guys, simply tap on that, automatically download install the beta version on your Snapchat account. So guys, you can easily crashing issue fix on your iPhone and iPad. I already 3 way to update your Snapchat applications on your iPhone and iPad, but still not working on iPhone. So guys, simply find out the Snapchat app. Now long press on that applications. Now you can see also last option is remove applications. Remove. After again come back to App Store and also download install the Snapchat app on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.